Don't start nothing.
I'm not. That door unlocked?
Hey, don't step in my grass, man. I don't give a fuck. You step in my grass, dude. Jacob. I got a cup right up there sitting.
Good.
It don't matter, man. Who are you? Why are you in my grass too, man?
You okay, honey?
Super Daddy to the rescue, right?
Put your feet down, baby.
Hey, Zoe.
Put your feet down.
I'm drunk tonight. I'm being obnoxious. So what? About time I deserve that shit. It's been a while. You're right. I didn't know her that well. I completely agree with you on that.
Shit happens. It's life.
Nah. Shit manifests itself in its own way.
Hey,
Ain't my
Pumpkin.
fault. Ain't my fault.
How you doing, baby? I know you're tired.
I don't want to eat at my dad's.
You already ate dinner.
I don't want to eat any dinner because I'm...
Okay, baby. If you're full, you don't have to eat dinner.
Hey, let that kid miss in school, man. He needs to be in school, man. For real.
Yeah, I know he needs to be in
First and
school.
foremost.
Yeah, right, Shane.
Hey, man, you're right, dude. Listen, man. I love these kids. I want the best for them. This might not be the best situation for them here. I'm sorry for whatever, man. For real, man.
Are you sure?
Yes, dude, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
You just threatened him, dude. I mean, come on. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I mean, you're kind of weird, dude.
Yeah, that went kind of bipolar. You know what I mean? You cussed us out, and now you're trying to shake hands. Yes, you cussed.
Well, you know what? Take it and go, man. Take it and
Look,
go.
the kids are taken care of either
Are
way.
they?
They really are.
We're gonna make sure of that.
We already are. But thanks.